Today's video, I will show you how to make this beaded bracelet. So let's start. Today's materials, we have 4 colors of 80 seed beads. They are Toho seed beads. And for 11 O's, this is a Miyuki beads. So 11O Miyuki 11O seed beads. We have also Sono beading thread. You can use Miyuki beading thread, and lobster clasp, chain, beading needle. So that's it. Let's start. Anyway, this is our pattern for today's bracelet. I hope you like my color combination. So let's start. I will pick one turquoise, 2 11O, 1 orange, 2 11O, 1 white, 2 11O, 1 pink, and 2 11O. So like this. So this is our 4 color combination. So I will pull it down, leave some tail thread for our loop. I think you can leave some 10 centimeter or more, and knot them once more again. Oops. And then tighten it up, and I will pass it once again to make it more tough and tighten nicely. So we are here now, and I will exit to this 11O. I will zoom it more. So we are exiting here in. So the next step is I will pick orange because the next color is orange, 80 orange. So I will pick 80 orange, and I will pick 2 11O. So we are exiting from here, and I will skip this 11O and this 80, orange 80, and I will pass the needle to this 11O, like this. So it will be like this. So the next color is white. So I will pick white 80 and 2 seed beads, 2 11O. So we are exiting from here to this 11O, and I will skip this 1 11O and 80. So I will pass the needle here to this 11O. Pull the thread. It will be like this. So I will repeat it until we reach here. So I will pick the pink one. I will pick 2 11O. So we are exiting here, and I will skip this one, 11O, 80, and I will pass the needle here. So the next color is this turquoise one. So I will pick 80, turquoise 80, and I will pick 2 11O, So this is the first seed beads that we attach. So I will pass the needle to this. So I will skip this one. This is 11/0 and 8/0. So I will pass the needle here to this 11/0 and to this 8/0 and 11/0. So we are going to step up. So this time I will pass the needle to these 3 seed beads. So because we are stepping up to this time, so give it some pull to make it more tight. Like this. So the side view is just like this. Front side, and this is the top side. Okay, so we're exiting to this 11/0. So the next color is the white one. So I will pick the white and pick to 11/0. So we are exiting from here to this 11/0, and I will pass the needle to this 11/0, like this. And the next color is the pink one, and pink to 11/0. So we are exiting here and pass the needle to this 11/0. So the next color is the turquoise one, and pick to 11/0. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle here to this 11/0. How do you know how to step up? If you will see this 11/0 is just 1/11. This is the sign that we are going to step up. Okay, as you can see, there are 2 seed beads that you can see on the top, and this seed beads is just 1. So we are going to step up. This is the most important of this method. So this is the sign that we are going to step up. So the next color is the orange one, and 2 seed beads. So this is one. As you can see, this is a just 1/11. So we are going to step up. So I will pass the needle to this 11/0. I know I can do it. And to this 8/0 and 11/0. So pull the thread. So we have 3 units that we made. This is the front side, and this is the top side. Again, so we are exiting from this 11/0. So the next color is the pink one. So I will pick the pink one and to 11/0. So I'll pass the needle here to this. As you can see, they are popping, sticky though. What's wrong? What's wrong to my? Oh, yeah, it's okay. So we are here, and the next is turquoise. Pick to 11.0. So I will pass the needle here. There. What? Okay. Okay. And the next is the orange to 11.0. So I'll pass the needle here. Like this. And the next is white one. So I'll pick white one and to 11.0. So in this time, it's just 11.0. So we are going to go up here to these 3 seed beads. So this is our bracelet. This is the front side and this is the top side. So I will make it once more again to make it more clearly understandable. So the next color is turquoise. So I will pick turquoise and pick to 11.0. So we're exiting here. Now we'll pass the needle to this 11.0. So the next is orange. Pick to 11.0. So I will pass the needle here like this. You have to pull it more to make it more tight and clean. So I will pick white and pick to 11.0. So I'll pass the needle here. And this time, you can see that there's only 11.0. So we are going to go up, step up and pick pink because the next color is pink, and pick to 11.0. So we are passing the needle to these 3 seed beads. Okay, so that's it. And then make it more unit to reach the length of 16 centimeter. I think 16 centimeters. So I'll be back. So I'm back and I made 17. I made 17 centimeter of our bracelet, and then I will make the loop part of our bracelet. So we are exiting here, and the next color is turquoise. So I will pick turquoise and I will pass the needle here to this like this. And the next is orange. I pick orange only and pass the needle here, and then I'll pick white, pass the needle here. So the last is pink one, so I will pass the needle here and pass through to this turquoise one, and I will pick 11.0, pass to this orange, 11.0 into this, go through this white, 11.0, pink, and 11.0 into this turquoise. So I will reinforce them. And reinforce them like this, and I will pick white 80. So you can choose any color, but I choose white. And then pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread. One more time. One more time. And then I will pass the needle here to the opposite side of our beading of our toe hole of the white one, and pass the needle here, turquoise, white, turquoise, and here. So I will knot them and finish our bracelet. I'll go back again and go down and cut the thread. And if you can burn it, just burn it. So I will attach our bracelet, so I will attach our clasp and jump ring. Like this. So I will do my loop here with the same method. So I'll be back. Well, I made the same process and I attached to jump ring, and just like this. Simple. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and I hope you get some ideas from my design and from my tutorial, and I hope you understand my way how to teach beading. So please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.